In this lesson, we're going to resize the woman drawing on the easel and put her at the top of the shape underneath the woman's chin. Let's turn on the guide, Command H, select the layer with the woman drawing on the easel, do a Command T to transform, click on the option, and drag one of the corners in until the woman is about this small in the design. Use the guide to center the image and press return. Command H to hide the guide. In the original design, the woman is facing this way and she's painting red onto the painting, which is dripping onto the floor and going in a diagonal direction to create the title of the poster. Let's turn these layers back on again and let's flip the woman drawing on the easel horizontal. Do a Command T to transform, right-click inside of the transformation and click on Flip Horizontal, and then press return. This lesson will continue in the next video.